stage 2 is scary, man. So basically what happens, it's not about top speed, okay? It's not about the power you generate. It's basically about how linear the power is until the rev band. That will make you more scary. So the kids are happy, I guess. So that is how basically the stage 2 means. All the way the power starting from 1 RPM, it is very consistent till the other side of 16,000 as well, right? That is what makes it more scary. And somewhere I felt while riding if the traction is off, because the rear wheel was moving so much. It's not because it's not getting traction from the wheel, but it's more or less that the power itself is slightly higher. I think you need a slightly experienced hand after you tune, or maybe someone who get used to this motorcycle can also ride. But interesting, very interesting tune. I think you'll get to know more when you take it to the racetrack. You remove all the mirrors, number plate, foot pegs, seat. If you remove all those now, you'll automatically see how different it can get. That is because it will also reduce so much of weight, and I am about 79-80, so if I cut down another 10 kgs, it's gonna be crazy. But yeah, very interesting setup. You need to get used to this power because it's very lightweight, no? It's not like those motorcycles where they're very heavy in nature. But yeah, and the range usually will be 300 plus. It has come to under 200. Interesting. You can make it more torquey also, but the problem is you tend to wheelie a lot because the motorcycle is so lightweight. Torquey can work actually for motorcycles like Hayabusa or rather any big motorcycle. Motorcycle, if you don't have a steering damper, jiggle. What is that? Yaar guru sale ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗಾಡಿನಾ. I don't want to name someone. When I'd been there for tuning, someone had like said, I'll give you 50 for 14 lakhs, give me the bike. Like I said no, but that was a good deal, but which means that I can still negotiate for further money. But yeah, crazy man. I'm glad God blessed me with this. The only thing that keeps me going is motorcycles. But yeah, stage 2, it's crazy. I also am very happy that I removed the mirrors because there was a lot of rattling and vibrations that was coming. So I think that was the best part. The sound of the motorcycle has changed drastically. I don't know how much you will feel when you're listening to the GoPro audio, but you can't imagine. There is significant difference. It's not unnecessarily loud. So that's a beauty. And if I had the KOIT helmet, it would have gone by this time. Particles are very dangerous.